We are a high-tech enterprise dedicated to all kinds of pumps. We supply chemical pumps, centrifugal pumps, vertical pumps, liquid submersible centrifugal pumps, acid pumps, wear-resistant pumps, multi-stage centrifugal pumps, etc. We own advanced computer test systems and excellent equipment. Our company is a business entity for scientific research, production, sales, and service. We can produce all kinds of chemical engineering and slurry pumps in different shapes and with different materials, over 20,000 per year. What sets our pumps apart from others in the market is their durability, efficiency, and low maintenance requirements. We are proud to say that our pumps are trusted and used by many companies worldwide.